How to make money with Facebook page as a beginner. Hey guys, what's up? I'm your host Jason. Not only will I be showing you how you can start making money on Facebook, but I will be showing you how others are doing this and earning anywhere from $100 to $500 per day without showing their face, without recording a video or using a voiceover. It's a simple copy and paste strategy, and I'll be showing you where they are getting the content from and how you can do the same. But guess what? I'll also be showing you how you can start making money from your first video, as they had to wait until they had uploaded a certain amount of video to monetize their audience, but I will be showing you a quick workaround that. If this sounds good to you, be sure to watch this entire video and also hit the subscribe button, as I release daily videos on how to make money online. As you can see right here, one of the main ways persons choose to monetize their Facebook page is by using in-stream ads. But to qualify for in-stream ads, you will need at least 10,000 followers and 600,000 total minutes viewed in the last 60 days. A page with at least 5 active videos. That's a whole lot of minutes, as you can see right here. That's why most videos, if you should go on a Facebook page, you will realize that they tend to be over 3 minutes long, as you need a 3-minute plus video to get monetized. So as you can see right here, for example, this page is one of the examples that I will be using in this video. And this page is the name Bitch. And they post funny cat videos or animal videos, as you can see right here. And you can see that they have a high engagement. This video was posted 6 hours ago and already has over 135,000 views. And this one from yesterday had 281,000 views. And the crazy thing about it is, the owner of this page did not create any of these videos. They simply went on TikTok, as you can do right here. Go on TikTok and they search for funny cat videos. After they did this, they found some videos that they considered intriguing and went on TikTok to make a Facebook video. I would recommend again that you copy more than one, so you want it to add up to over 3 minutes, as this will help with monetizing, as we are going to be monetizing our audience in 2 ways. We'll be using the Facebook monetizing by in-stream ads, but meanwhile we are waiting on the Facebook to monetize our page, we'll be earning money daily, a secret way that I will be showing you. So to get the TikTok videos, you will simply search for funny cat videos or any niche that you are planning to go in. Once you have found the video, there are 2 ways you can do this. The first thing, you could tap on the video, then right where you see copy link right here, you will simply tap on that, and you want to visit this website right here. Let me go onto the website real quick. The website's name is snaptic.app. You want to go onto this website and you would paste the link right here that you had copied. Once you have pasted the link, you would tap on download, and again you are going to download videos that would add up to over 3 minutes. So you'll simply tap on download server 1, it doesn't really matter, and you can see that the video has been downloaded. And again, you would do this with quite a few videos. I would say like 3 or 4 TikTok videos depending on the length. And you can also find content on Instagram also to post. And don't worry about finding the content, it's easy. It all depends on the niche that you are planning to go in. Once you have found the content and you have gotten the video from either Snapchat or TikTok or Facebook, after you have done that, you are going to go into canva.com. Canva.com is a platform that you can create videos for free and you can also create thumbnails and so on for completely free. Once on Canva, you're going to select video, then you're going to tap on mobile video, and you're going to tap on create blank. After you have done that, you'll be led to this page right here, and from here you simply want to drag the videos that you had downloaded, and after you have added the videos, you would simply drag them to the platform right here, and you will ensure that they fill out the space right here, so you would drag it. After you have done that, as you can see, this one adds up to 9 seconds, so I would need to download more videos to make it go over the 3-minute mark. As remember, we are creating videos with keeping in mind that we want to be monetized by Facebook. After you have done that, you would simply post your video on Facebook. But here's the trick on how you can start earning money from your first video. Instead of waiting on Facebook to monetize your audience, what I would recommend you do, for example, as this channel is doing right here, as you can see, Cat Paradise, I would recommend that you either start doing some affiliate marketing, depending on the niche you have chosen. So for example, let's say we are doing the cat niche. We could become an affiliate for a page like this, and we would simply leave a link for these, the blue cat eye bracelet or any cat product. As once a person visits your Facebook page, more than likely they are a cat owner or a person that likes cats, so they would be very intrigued on purchasing one of these items. And as you can see, these items are selling fast or as they are sold out. So you could either become an affiliate and you could earn anywhere from 10% per sale or 15%. And you could also become an affiliate on Amazon and promote cat products from Amazon and earn a percentage also. Or if you want to take it a step further, which I would recommend, you could set up your own e-commerce store just like this right here. Because if we should do a quick search, for example, on the same blue cat eye bracelet that is sold out, for example right here, if I were to do a quick search, for example with Google Lens, you can see that they got this product from Made in China right here. And if I was to tap on the link, they actually got this product for $1.04, and it is being sold for $49. So can you imagine the amount of profit that they are making? And this product is actually sold out. So for $1.49 you could purchase this, and then you can flip it back. The profit on this is actually crazy. As you can see right here, they actually got it for 49 USD. And you can go onto Made in China and get it depending on the volume that you want to buy for $1.40. And this was just a quick search. So if you were to go onto probably AliExpress and do a more thorough search, you probably could find it cheaper. So I would recommend that you create an e-commerce store depending on the niche that you are going in, and you can make a lot of money instead of waiting on Facebook monetization. So that's the secret sauce that I would recommend. So while making money with your e-commerce store, you will still be waiting on Facebook monetization. So a quick recap. The first thing you're going to do is go onto Facebook and create a Facebook page. After you have created a Facebook page, you will select either TikTok or Instagram to get your content from, and you will use the steps that I showed you to download the videos. And also I would recommend that you simply give the creator of the TikTok video credit, which is normal to avoid any copyright. So after giving them credit and posting the videos, I recommend that you either start promoting affiliate offers or you create an e-commerce store around the niche that you have created the Facebook page for. So while earning money from your e-commerce or affiliate link, you will also be earning money by getting monetized by Facebook. And that's it. That's how I would recommend that anyone that is thinking about creating a Facebook page, look at it. And that's it. That's how to make money with Facebook page as a beginner. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.